YouTube. This is my 1990 BNSS. It is a white, pretty original wheels, just refurbed. A genuine low-K car, 136,000 kilometers. Factory manual, factory power windows. Interior is in great condition. I'd like to say it was a looked after car, but when it was picked up, it wasn't. Back seats, bit wrinkly, but not bad. Roof lining. Doesn't have the factory stereo, but that'll get upgraded one day anyway. And this car is actually a 355 stroker. The engine covers are off to get painted. The engine was built probably 20 years ago, so she is a bit tired and long in the tooth. But yeah, it is a good Sunday cruiser. It's not perfect, it's been sitting around forever. To be perfect, it would need a respray. But yeah, it is a good cruiser. We'll start. Yeah, so that's the VNSS. Let me know what you reckon. Cheers.